Okay, so I guess to start off, I'm going to make the first file. I have like a template set up, so I'm just going to refer to that a lot while I do this. Saving this to a folder that I have set up. Let me. So just to start off, I specified what the document type was, which is HTML, and set up some basic HTML tags. From there, I'm going to make a header and a heading tag, and then the body tags. And then I'll be making like a basic resume, which should hopefully be responsive. So I'm just copying the meta tags that I have set up, and I'll paste them into here. And then along with this, I'm going to set up a style, like a CSS sheet, so that I can specify the color of the text and make it look not so boring. Oh, why is it? Oops. I cannot figure this out today. I'm a bit rusty, so it'll take me a second. So just to get it started off, I'm going to specify the font family for this. And I'll just open sans. Actually, do I have saved for this? I'll do Times New Roman. Just have that font. And then just to get it open, I'm going to copy the path, and then I've got a Chrome tab open. I'm not sure if that's going to screen share, so just check. Is it screen sharing the Chrome tab as well? And then from here, I have to link to the style sheet so that it actually appears when I'm adding stuff into the style sheet. So that's just doing a link with the type of sheet it is, and then what the name of the style sheet is. And because these will be located in the same folder, it'll grab this file, which is right here. And then so inside of the head tag, again, I'm just going to title this, and I'll name it resume because I'll just make it a simple one. And then for the first header, I'll just have it as my name. And if we check the web page, it'll have just my name displayed so far in Times New Roman. From here, I'll just set up my second header and I'll
Hey,
do,
Sage.
yep.
If you're trying to show your Google tab, I cannot see it. So
Okay, okay. Let me can you see it now?
Yep, works now.
Okay. So just to get this up here, I copied the path by right-clicking on the file name at the top and then pasted it into my browser. What was that? Okay, so then for my second header, I'll do a slightly smaller one, and I'll just have it labeled as education. I'm going to do a paragraph tag and have it the school that I go to, where my school is, and the certificate that I'm graduating with, as well as when I'm expected to graduate, which is in June. And this is more for if it was a little bit more advanced, but I don't think I'll get into boxes and like bootstrap stuff. But all of this I'm going to nest inside of a div. Just so that it's a bit more organized, and in the future, if I wanted to have this as a class, then it's easy to do that. Second div, and this one will be for experience. Copy that and paste it a couple more times. I'll do skills, and then activities and honors. And so far, this should look something like this. And then from here, I am going to do an unordered list. So that'll be like this tag with 2 list elements inside. The first one, I'm just saying that I received honor rolls in all semesters. And that I'll be getting a French IB language certificate. For experience, I'll just set up a couple paragraph tags to start. And do my current job, which is as an administrative assistant. When I was hired there, and then it's ongoing. And then a little bit about my position, which I already have ready to copy and paste, because this is taken from my actual digital resume that I have. For the length of time that this paragraph right here, I would like the text to be a little bit smaller, so I'm going to give it a class of, let's do smaller text for the sake of a better name. And up in my style sheet, I'll have this as 10 pixels. Should it should just be the dot. All right, apparently that's not going to work today, and never mind. For my header, which says Sage Lawrence, I'm just going to do a background color. So for my header 1, I'll do a background color of a pale blue, or do a pale green. Okay. Why? There you go. And then after I made sure that the file was in the correct place so that it could grab the right file, I can see that underneath my name, spreading across the entire page, there's a black, or like there's a green box behind the black text. And I'm going to change the alignment of the text to the center so that it's display in the center of the page, like so. And then for your own resume, you could fill in the following like skills and activities and honors as you did here. And I'm just setting up the class again. For class, you would use a dot at the beginning, but if I was doing an ID, then it would be a pound sign. I'll do 8 pixels. We'll see how that looks. I like it. Too small. So I'll try for like 11 or I'll do 10. I'll do 12 because I like the way that looks. From here, I could change the I didn't plan for much more than this. I could link to the website that my used for my job as a way to display. So I'll just set up a link tag and copy the URL into that. How do I do it in tech? Wow.
Yes.
So I really didn't plan for much more because if there's people watching,
Yeah.
they'd be different.
Okay, so I guess I just got one question. Like, what would you recommend anyone to go after the workshop? Like, what resources would you recommend for people to learn?
Okay, I really like W3 Schools. Like I've read through all of the CSS and HTML as well as the Bootstrap pages because I find it really helpful. And then to improve my Bootstrap skills, to improve my CSS skills, I've been trying to incorporate Bootstrap into it a lot more because it'll really change the layout and whole user interface of your website, and it makes it a lot easier to use and it's much more customizable, I find. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos as well to find ideas and tips and tricks for HTML pages. So I guess that's what I'd recommend people do.
Thank you for hosting a really great workshop. And I'm going to close the meeting now, and
Okay.
the workshop should be recorded. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you.